Welcome to the JME Precision Workshop, a creative operations lab where the method becomes embodied. Precision is a form of care. We are moving from reactive survival, where chaos is a symptom of poor systems, to sovereign leadership. Structure is the sanctuary where creativity breathes. As a creative operator, you are a strategist, a protector of energy, and a designer of flow. You are a translator between vision and execution, a protector of creative bandwidth, and a sovereign leader who directs rather than absorbs. The architecture of ease is built on 5 pillars: clarity and purpose, people and priorities, structure with systems that hold the weight, sovereignty in leading with intention, execution for grounded, precise movement, and refinement, the quiet engine of excellence. It's time to move from mere understanding to living the method. While reading gives you knowledge and templates give you structure, embodiment happens through guided practice. Elevate from knowing the method to becoming the identity. The JME Precision Workshop is not a traditional course. It is a creative operations lab, a space where you learn to move like a creative operator in real time, where clarity becomes movement. Module I focuses on internal sovereignty. This includes operational clarity, energy protective planning with rituals for creative bandwidth, and emotional neutrality, leading without absorbing chaos. Module 2 covers external precision. This involves timeline architecture for buffer zones, vendor alignment with clear expectations, and communication mastery for setting boundaries and sticky conversations. See the system. Lead the system. In the lab, we build your event ecosystem map, identifying stakeholders, resources, risks, and emotional hotspots. When you see the system, you can predict patterns. Walk away with your personalized operational system, designed for your specific reality. This includes your signature timeline structure and boundary framework, complete with buffer zones. Your toolkit includes your event ecosystem map, communication scripts, the boundary framework, signature timeline structure, and energy protective rituals. Experience your transformation. You will fully embody a creative operator identity, moving with calm, grounded authority. Your presence becomes the emotional thermostat of the event. This is your next step if you are ready to elevate from understanding the method to living it, want to design systems that protect your energy, and are ready to lead with sovereignty. Structure is sanctuary. Remember this: precision is not the enemy of creativity. Structure is the protector of creativity. Step into sovereignty and join the Creative Operations Lab. Scan the QR code to learn more. Your calm is your power.